Okay, good morning. I want to show you how I made this particular design. I imported this from my gallery, and then it was actually small when I did. What I did was I made sure that the background color was different. So I was the one that chose this background color. If I wanted a different background color, so that's what you would get. But I wanted to try and create something more of a publicity for this um, today's class. So I got this background, downloaded it out, and then decided to fix it in somewhere here. Now this is what I did. Scratch it in. So divided the page into two. Now after dividing the page into two this way, then I will not touch. I will not touch this background. If I touch this background, and you can see the lines around it, if I touch it and change anything or try to import anything, it will affect that background. So what I will do is I will touch out, make sure I can see, tap something to start editing, then I'll press the plus button, then I would go into image, then I would enter my, because obviously searching it is going to take a long time, so I'll go to my gallery, and then I'll quickly, you knew where I went to yesterday, I'll go to my icon tools, my icon background icon, sorry, my background icon. Now this is my background icon. Every background icon here, I got them, so you would have to get yours. So go in, then I'm going straight, I'm looking for mentoring. I mentioned that yesterday. So this is my mentoring transparent PNG file. So I pick it up, then scratch it and put it somewhere here. Yes, that way. Then I come back here again, press text and click. I can then write and presents. Then take it to the left, take it to the right, whichever place I like. I can try to make it bold or make it small, make it italics, or leave it, or make it capital letter or make it small. So let's do capital letter, and then let's do the italics. Then let's reduce the size. So take it and put it presents. Then I go back again, press here, take here, click here, then I write. Now you notice your edit format is still available, so you have to undo it for it not to apply on the next. So you write phone. I can separate it, I can do it together. I always love to do it separately, so it creates the creativity out of it. So phone graphics. So then I can write master class or advanced class. So this is advanced class. So now let's do the edit of this. Now what font do I want? You click, let me go back again. You click here where you see open sans. Click it and then you choose. Now my favorite here is Edo. Now Edo is beautiful. It does that size of font. Good size, increase it to the point where it fixes it. Okay, then you can come present phone graphics. Then I come here. Okay, which one would I use for this? So let's search for something nice. I can decide to use, yeah, let's use beach resort. Now beach resort makes sense. That's one I used before. So you reduce it and then you increase it again. Now increase it to the point where it fixes the entire box. Then you bring it fix nearby and you're done. So phone graphics. Now you can try to leave it like this. You can try to cause the P to be out of the box deliberately as a form of design. You can change it to the same color. Yeah, that's it. Now you see the resemblance of it. Then you come here, fix this beside it. Then you can even increase this one more than the phone, so that it just forms a design. Like I said yesterday, your creativity is key to your design. You must be creative, and nobody's okay. Well, the next couple of weeks we would have creativity. I'll teach you how to wake up the creativity in you, and that class would be really, really, it's going to be just a self-help class. Now, just to help and see how we can pull out some of those things. But in the meantime, now this is it. And then as soon as you get to this point, you can also do more. add you immediately click the plus again and add another text box. Now this time around, you notice the font changed because I picked the one that already had been edited. I have to change it before it goes back to the normal. So what do I want to say? I want to say learn to make something like this with your phone. Then after that, I'll log out, click out of it. Okay, reduce it, and then just put like this somewhere here. Yes. Okay. Now if you notice, I can just put it somewhere down here. Okay. Press this again, press this again, press this again, and bring it out. Then now, what do I want to write here? I want to write the price. So I'd say how much I want to do it for. Since for today, I would say 2.5. Person gets paid 2.5. Should I do 3K? Okay, let's do 3K. Now let's go. So you do 3K and then you reduce it and then you increase it. Then I go to my tool. Now this is the part I want you to see. I go to my image, I go into my gallery, I go into my icon box where I kept all my icons. So I'm going to pull out naira, dollar, whichever one I want. And I want my naira, so I'm using this one. And I've not used this almost ever. So let's see how it goes. Now I'll use it and I'll say put it here for 3. Beautiful. Now you notice the font of the 3,000 doesn't suit the coin, so you quickly look for something that suits. Let's try Edo. No, it doesn't suit. Let's try something more majestic. Let's say regular. Okay, yes it does. So it give it the regular look. Or then we want to add something else. So we'll click out. I want to do add register. So I go back there. I have it already. You understand that you must have downloaded it yourself. So I go back, pick the register of my choice. Register now. Like I said, I downloaded them before now, so it's just easy. So you can see register now. Click out. Don't forget clicking back. Choose. I want to use arts. And go back to gallery. Income. Now art should be down somewhere. Okay, let's use this one. Arts. Register arts. Drag it back. Reduce it. Put it back here. Make it smaller. See? So when you're done with this, now we need to add we need to add what? What do we need to add? I think we need to add closing time. Close. So that but we don't have cases where people, so we copy. This is copy. So you copy it out, you write class closes for entry closes, and let's do entry closes for 12 noon. Okay, drag then you do drag a bit. Yep, it's balanced. Then you drag it back. But now let's use a normal font for this. I don't feel too good about Naira. That's a coin, so I'll change it. So let's go. We're changing it to something else. I know I have a Naira sign that might just kill it. So let's use, let's use, let's use my other Naira sign. Where did I keep it? Okay. Yeah, that's it. Boom. Yeah, that's it. But to make the mount clearer, I think I'll do it red, so it to be obvious, to stand out of the picture. Else it will be so within it, and then you can't see it. So now, what's left to be added in this design? You've seen us add practically everything. You've seen me add practically everything. Now this is creativity at its best, actually, for a phone app. Now, how would I take this and make someone? Um, I'm thinking, how do I get you to know where the venue is? How do I get you to know where to pay in before time? So I trust that if the person is ever interested, the person chats up. The question is, it means that the post must have the link for the chat up. If it doesn't, then there's trouble. So to make sure that someone can actually pick this up and still know where to chat. So I would have to do another box. I'll say something like um, um, chat up. I can say contact. Then I would add the number WA.ME. It appears, and I did it. It's WAME. And put a plus in front of it. Then that's it. Bring it here by the side. Make it bold so you see it. Then I add reduce the space between contact. Then I add WhatsApp logo to it. Let's go get WhatsApp logo out of it. So where's my WhatsApp logo? Contact, WhatsApp logo, come out. Okay, so we choose the WhatsApp logo we want to get. I have this, then I have the normal one. So let's go for the normal one. Like I said, this is transparent PNG file of WhatsApp logo. That's why you notice every color I put it in, it seems to take the background color. That's the beauty of transparent PNG files. It actually makes you what's it called? Easily find. So contact WhatsApp here, register now at, and all of that, and then you get the closing date. So closes by 12 noon. So you put that down beside it, and then your design is done. Now that's it. So we can decide to drag it down. I just feel it's not perfect enough, so let's drag it down. Let's drag the price close to it, the amount also close to it, then the ads close to it. Register now on top of it. Editor distance. So then we click the print button. We can check what we just did by clicking the tap to view. So you see gallery pictures and allow you see it. So there you go. Now that's our work. Isn't that just cute? So I just feel a need to move register now. So let's go back. We're moving register now. We're moving register now. We're moving it here. Register now, and then we're reducing the size of the money. We're reducing the size of the naira. We're putting it beside each other. We're using the art to putting it beside it. How about that for design? Now, so drag it up slightly, slightly. Now there you have it. Trying to reduce the space between present because we need space downwards. So yeah, that's it. There's a balance. Yeah, now that's a design. So let's see you do something. Like I said, today we get the advance. The next, it's up to you. So, trust you had fun.